love this.
Yeah. And it's go well with her outfit.
This is so pretty. This is the coat. I am in love, and this is the battery pack. So I'm testing it out before I go to. Bonjour, mes amis. Beaucoup shopping comes with beaucoup problems. Of course, a lot of malls and stores tend to have music playing, and that is a huge issue here on YouTube regarding copyrights. So what this vlog lacks in me chatting, it more than makes up avec fabulous fall fashion and unboxing, and I even include pricing. Please be certain to like, subscribe, and follow. And if you have any questions regarding anything that you've seen in this week's vlog, please be certain to leave me a comment. Alrighty, ciao for now. So I'm the makeup that I got the last time. Thank you so much. Nowhere.
It just feels good,
It
right?
feels good.
Yeah. It's a comfy one.
It's so huggable.
Mommy, daughter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, Jew, I have to see how it fits.
Okay.
Thank you. I love this.
It's really cool.
Okay. How it looks in the sun. Okay, excuse me.
Right out, but it's still gonna give you a better.
Okay. Oh, this is so cute. Oh yeah.
It
Oh,
doesn't
yeah.
even look like you have anything on.
And I love that.
I keep them guessing.
That
like,
looks good.
am I
Yeah. On this camera, it's just so weird. This is the OOTD, just a knit pencil skirt and oversized high-low kind of shirt. Celine suede pumps, and yeah, the outfit of the day. I don't know, the lighting is just not great, and like when I get it brighter, it's like it gets orange or like a yellow tint. Oh goodness. 20 days, Mazami, for me to decide. I'll check back in officially with you all in a bit. Alrighty, ciao for now. Like easier. Hey, that was fun. Now we are heading to Nordy's Cafe, and I want to check to see if they have their baby Uggs back in stock, because baby Gina has already outgrown her Uggs. Already. It's ridiculous. I don't know how to flip the camera. I don't think I can. I just have to stop recording. How do I flip it?
I don't know.
Ow! I'm thinking about this maple sugar, but then I'm thinking the lavender chai. I'll do lavender. Is it super sweet? Can you make it less sweet? Yes, please. Oh, this is so cute. I'm sorry. I'll do a small. Yes. I like these little cups. Perfect. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bonjour, mes amis. I did not do like an official happy Wednesday or so. I have not vlogged. It's been since Saturday. I just been busy working on some project, home stuff, and then I have a new phone. This is the iPhone. Vintage Mesami know that I am like team Android, but with all of my other Apple products, it seems that this is a good choice. I have been having so many complications. Mesami over on Insta have been witnessing them firsthand in my cries for help. This is not a smooth transition like I thought it would be. So one of my biggest reasons for making this transition is because of vlogging. So there are times when I spend about 3 hours just trying to sort dates of videos. So when I had my Samsung, I would upload the videos to my MacBook, but somehow things would get lost in translation and the videos would just be all jumbled together and I could not sort them by day. So I would have to like go back to my Insta stories to see, oh, what did I have on Wednesday? What did I have on Tuesday? And it was so time consuming. So I'm hoping with this like fluid system using the same devices, same software, hardware, I don't know. It's software, yeah, because the hardware would be the actual device. Be that as it may, I'm hoping this will be much easier. So we went to Apple. You saw all of that. So now let's get into, it's not really an unboxing. Let me just show you what I got from Apple. And I'm about to call it a night. I'm super excited. I'm exhausted. Super exhausted, but I do need to book my hotel next week. I am doing just like a short work away kind of thing. I have some places I need to be, and of course I will take you all avec moi, but I'm thinking that will be a separate vlog, like on its own, not a part of the weekly vlog, although I'll only be there a short time. But yeah, let me show you what I got from Apple, and I have to get used to this lighting, just try to see where to look. I don't know. I will check back in when I can tomorrow, hopefully. Ciao for now. I have some necessities. So cords, the adapter, because you can't like use a regular adapter anymore. It's so weird, but $19.99. Oh, I want 2 of these. This is what I am excited about. The battery pack. So me know that this is where I keep my battery pack, but I cannot use this anymore because of like the cords. So this I just attached to the back of the phone, and that should be that. I'll test it out tomorrow. Alrighty. Ciao for now. Bonjour, mes amis. It is Saturday and I have done nothing but prepare an espresso. We are heading out. I feel like a few vlogs ago, I told mes amis that my windshield was broken when the husband was cutting the grass. Like a wayward pebble shattered my entire windshield. So I need to like get my inspection stickers replaced. So I'm going to do that. Yes. Are you recording? Yeah. Oh. You need me? Okay. What was I gonna say? Yeah, post office. I feel like I have some like press kits, and I have to wash my hair tonight, and I am dreading it, no pun intended, but this is like my least favorite thing to do. I need to edit tonight, and again, this iPhone, I'm hoping this will make the transition easy. I don't expect for it to be the easiest because the initial part of this vlog would have been recorded, some of my Samsung Android. So yeah, so let me go ahead, get ready. The husband needs me, and let's just head out for the day. I will see you all in a bit. Alrighty, ciao for now. Okay, I am back, mes amis. So this will be the OOTD, but here is where like designer versus just style comes in. Like, I feel like this purse would be a much better fit versus the Speedy, but it's like, you know, what do I want to have, like the designer, or do I want to have like this? So this is where it comes in. I feel like I'm gonna do a poll over on Insta and ask mes amis what do they think, because this is real. This is a real thing. So I'm going to check back in a bit. Alrighty. Ciao for now. So I have asked mes amis over on Insta, and instead of doing a poll like in my stories where it would delete, I went ahead and put it on my feed because I really am curious as to what people would think. I know by the time you all watch this, I would have already chosen, but I'm curious, what do you all think? Like, what would you have chosen, like designer or vintage? And like, just being honest, do you ever find yourself choosing to wear a designer bag simply because it's a designer bag versus, you know, like a vintage or just nondescript bag? Because not all designer bags have logos. But okay, let me get ready. And actually, so I am going to take this. Instead of having all of these, I have a battery pack like the Apple one. So this is what I used to carry for my Droid, and I did a whole I feel like I did a blog and I'm on my Insta about why I added these pouches. So I'm going to keep this in here, and I feel like maybe I still should take a charger. Well, I don't plan on being out that long, but I'll get this tech pouch together. Alrighty, let me show you this OOTD once I'm finished, and we will get on the road. Ciao for now.
Into the reality of the living world you're in. But
Of course, there was music in the store, so I couldn't record. I didn't even waste time talking. Went for a return, ended up spending much more than I returned. So now we are heading to TJ Maxx, and there is a Home Sense. Sorry, it's near. I've never been to Home Sense. If you have watched some of my past vlogs, you will know that I absolutely love home goods. I don't know which one is best. Do you all have like Home Senses where you are? All right, let's flip the camera. Stop. We are heading to get something to eat. I did not have breakfast or lunch today, so we are stopping to pick up a bite. I try not to do fast food, so this is it. We are home. I did buy these. They are 7s. Like just some short rain boots. I thought these were so nice. Okay, so I asked Mazami over on Insta which of the boots I should purchase. I will try to insert a picture here. These are not the boots that I initially did the poll on. And there's a reason why. Like these are actual, they're genuine leather. The other 2 boots were not. And these were, I want to say like $7 more. So it's always better to go with leather. And then I'm basically getting like a twofer. They're black, but it has a brown sole. So I can still wear black or brown pieces with this. And then secondly, my, what are they called? Star Trails. I have the LV Star Trails in brown. So if I'm wearing any brown boots, it needs to be those. But yeah, and let me show you the jacket I got. Of course, just wearing a mask has my lipstick all over the place. Let me get lighting. This is the coat. I am in love, and this is the battery pack. So I'm testing it out before I go to New York. My phone was on 28%. I pretty much want to see how long it's going to take to charge up. So in love. Okay, so I think I am going to have an espresso, change out, take an evening walk with baby Chena, and get ready to wash my hair. It's really filthy, so if I do not check back in tonight, this will be the end of the vlog, but perhaps I'll like post tomorrow morning or something. I don't know, we'll see, but merci beaucoup for sticking around this long. Again, like, subscribe, follow. If there's anything that you saw on the vlog, if you have any questions, be certain to comment. All of that. I don't know what to say. Alrighty, ciao for now.